Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is tutorial number five on the Marc Jacobs Provocateur palette. And I think today I just want to focus mainly on this area. I'm not too sure. It starts off with a vision. And it's always trying to bring that vision to life. It's always the fun part and the hard part. Yeah, I just woke up. This is literally me before going to the gym. So, I think I just want to focus on this one maybe. Make it the star, like just really blown out. Don't know. We'll see. But we are using that magenta, which is called Embed, which is such a beautiful color. And as usual, still using the, what is it? The Showstopper highlighter. I mean, it's just so huge. Like, I've used it quite a few times and it's barely a dent. How many grams? 10 grams? That's a lot of highlighter. And I don't know if I'm going to be using any of these for the blushes. Actually, I'm going to use a NARS blush from I think a collection they did with, oh, I forgot the artist's name, but it's called Frenzy and it's like this orange. So I kind of think that would be kind of fun to play with. No, we're going to use the magenta as a blush. But let me go ahead and prep my eyes and then we will get right into this tutorial. Alright, so eyes are prepped. I think they look related. I hope they look related. So, as usual, still going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. Invisible. I wonder if they're ever going to come out with like tinted or colored ones. That would be nice. So going in with a fluffy brush. And I actually want to start with Embed, the magenta. Just dab a little bit, because I know this actually packs a punch. Ooh. And then, just gonna blow this out all the way up to the brow. Okay, add a little bit more. And when it comes to Marc Jacobs, Pat McGrath, Tom Ford, I love their color stories and the fact that they are, well, Marc Jacobs and Tom Ford are probably like my two top favorite fashion designers ever. Just blow it out and just keep adding. I mean, I kind of want to go more editorial, runway type of thingy with this one, so. But Marc Jacobs is definitely more of the fun party type of designer for me and more rebellious, and Tom Ford is more of that sophistication, high class, like a sophisticated sexiness is what Tom Ford is for me, and Marc Jacobs is the party, fun, sexy version for me. Oh yeah, we're going all the way up to the brows. Whew. Perfect. I'm going to do the other side and we'll be back. Alright, so this is where we are at. I like it. Now I'm going into the as well. And we're going to make that more of a moment. A little wing. Actually, before I go further, let me dip into the highlighter and just begin to put that all over the lid. That will be our moment. Oh, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And I just love how it just adds a little bit more oomph to the color that we just put down as well. Up to the brow bone, gotta get that brow highlight. Make a bulb. And then let us continue with as well that Zwart. This, I just love this color. Because I kind of want to do a little bit of a smoky Klein Beige Smoky Moment. Perfect. Get that down. Go in with that fluffy brush and just begin to smoke it out. Add a little bit there. There we go. Just begin to smoke out that wing. Smoke, 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 smoke it out. And as usual, layering, layering, layering. That's what it really comes down to. Oh, so beautiful. So sophisticated. So rebellious, which I love also. So let me go and even it out and then we will continue. All right, so this is where we are at. I'm loving it. The drama. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the highlighter more as the brow highlight because it's a highlighter. And then I'm still gonna use the same highlighter for my highlighter on the face, and then we'll use this eyeshadow as blush, and we'll be very editorial. But I went ahead and did a little bit of the Permagel in Extreme Black to make the liner a little more intense. And of course the Dark Star Mascara by Pat McGrath I'm still using. Oh, it's just so beautiful. So gorgeous in many aspects. But yeah, so this is look number 5. Very, very beautiful, very dramatic, very provocateur. So we will go ahead, or I will go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then you guys will see the final look. See you in a moment. So here is the final look. I mean, it's very provocateur. I mean, it's just very boom. I actually like this. This is nice. This is good. We went somewhere, we ran with it, and we just went for the ride, huh? So, gorgeous, gorgeous color. Beautiful, obviously. Flawless, yes. Yeah, so for lips, I have Charlotte Tilbury's Supermodel. And on top of that, I actually do have the Naked Rose, literally what's left of it. I want to get the Pale Fire Nectar. If they still have it in stock, I doubt it. But yeah, this is gorgeous. And I went old school. I went with Blunt from MAC to just give a little couture, climb just a little bit of a contour. But yeah, this is the final look. Tutorial number 5. Oh, I mean, it's just, I love doing colors like these, just really draping it from the eyes up into the cheeks. It's so 80s, it's very retro. It's just so punk couture for me, so that's why I love stuff like this. But yeah, as usual, NARS Sheer Glow. I mean, look at, if I do this, my under eyes looks phenomenal, but the reality of it, oh, 36 coming in hot. 36 coming in real hot. But yeah, setting spray, the Anastasia Dewy setting spray, and the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless setting spray as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial. I mean, I just really need to get rid of that line. Yeah, we'll see. But for the most part, you get the general idea. I mean, highlighter, still this. Yeah, as usual, go to my makeup Instagram page to see the final look, the final edits, the final angles of everything. Gosh, my skin is showing so much more texture. But I hope you guys, I mean, if you have this palette, if you have any of his eyeshadow palettes, like literally play around with them. They are so immaculate and remarkable to really create some really nice color stories. Like, I really do love this cool toneness that we got going on over here. Then we got a little bit more of that drama obviously. If this is number 5, I might do one more, maybe, we'll see. But I actually will be starting my next palette focus, which I'm so excited about. But I hope you guys really got a chance and a feel to play around and explore more with these eyeshadow palettes, especially with those pops of color, which are very beautiful to have. Because I like to use those as blush. The Pat McGrath Rose Decadence, actually, I love to use that more as a highlighter and blush. Even the Bridgerton collection, the kind of like blushy satin type of eyeshadows in there. I love to use those type of colors just to really rouge it out and start draping the face with it. And if you actually start to think about what Marc Jacobs aesthetics are and being a very fashion designer, it's those pops of colors where you can actually dress the eyes with different types of textures, with layers. And I think with his palettes, that's what I personally like to think of it as, like literally dressing your eyes. 7 eyeshadows for 7 days of the week. Play around with it. Get moody, get funky, get sophisticated, get expensive, get easy. A day out at Walmart, a day out at Target. We all know we could spend a whole day at Target and getting everything we don't need, but leaving the store and not having what we specifically went in there for. I'm guilty. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, I do love this. I love this. I still have like 3 other of his eyeshadow palettes that I might do palette focuses as well. I really do hope he comes back with his brand, revamping, maybe a new supplier or whatever. It'll be amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Many more looks and tutorials this year. So, mwah.